Hello. Today we will take a look at what you should do if you are a passenger using a ride-sharing service and an accident occurs during the ride. Generally, there seem to be two main reasons why people use ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. The first is that they or their family members do not own a car. The second reason is that they or their family members do own a car, but prefer not to drive their own vehicle to busy places like the airport or Manhattan. If an accident happens, first call the police and make sure your name is recorded on the police report as a passenger. Even if the driver has called the police may not pay special attention to the passenger's injuries, and often passenger information is left out of the police report. If this happens, you could face difficulties with future injury claims or insurance processing, so be sure to check this. After providing your information to the police, ask the driver for their insurance information before leaving the Uber or Lyft vehicle. Typically, ride-sharing service drivers have both personal insurance and Uber insurance. If the accident occurred while the Uber app was on and the ride was in progress, Uber insurance is responsible for the accident. If the accident happened when the app was off, such as right after reaching the destination and turning off the app, then the driver's personal car insurance is relevant. Therefore, make sure to obtain information for both types of insurance before leaving the scene. If you are injured and need treatment after the accident, and if you or your family members do not own a car, you can claim the related medical expenses through Uber or Lyft insurance. However, Uber or Lyft might not have provisions for covering medical expenses, or the coverage amount might be low. If there is no coverage at all, you can apply for medical expense coverage through the state programs called PLIGA in New Jersey and MVAIC in New York. If Uber or Lyft coverage is insufficient, first use Uber or Lyft coverage and then use your health insurance for any excess treatment costs. If you or your family has car insurance and if the accident happened in New York, you should also claim medical expenses through Uber or Lyft insurance. If Uber or Lyft doesn't provide coverage, use your personal or family car insurance, household insurance. However, household insurance's no-fault or PIP often denies coverage for ride-sharing service accidents. In such cases, use your health insurance for treatment. Also, if the coverage amount is small, use your health insurance for the excess amount. If the accident happened in New Jersey, you should claim medical expenses through your personal or family car insurance, household insurance. If the household insurance has MedPay instead of personal injury protection, PIP, you can use MedPay for treatment. However, PIP generally does not cover ride-sharing service accidents in New Jersey. In such cases, use Uber or Lyft insurance, and for any excess amount, use your personal health insurance. If you are involved in an accident while using Uber or Lyft, the method of covering medical expenses varies depending on the situation. Please review the above information carefully and receive treatment according to the applicable method for your situation. Thank you for watching until the end.